should I do my hair in this video? My hair is a mess. Hey guys, what's up? It's Sharee. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a clothing haul that I have, and I'm pretty excited about it because this is going to be a $10 clothing haul. This is the kind of hauls that I like. Anything $10 or less makes me extremely happy. So that is what I'm going to be sharing with you guys today. I don't think I've done a clothing haul here on my channel. I think I've only done one haul, and I think it was a Sephora haul. Other than that, I haven't done anything, but I felt like I just wanted to share with you some of the good finds that I got for $10 and less. So let's just jump right in and let me share with you guys what I got. For the first store, I went into this store over here. This is International Clothers. I normally never shop in this store. Like, I never step foot into the store because it's just items that I'm not really interested in. It's kind of like clothing for men and like older ladies or whatever. So I was actually shopping around the mall with my mom and my two sisters. So I just accompanied them into the store, and then I saw this rack, and then this one thing caught my eye was this fur like a material over here. This is the first thing that I saw, and I was like, oh, I want to see this. So this is actually a black fur vest. And then I wasn't looking at the prices on the rack, because usually if there's like a round rack, they have like a little price in the middle. I didn't read that. I was just looking straight on to the tag on the item, and when I saw it, it said $79, and I was like, never mind, you know, I'm not gonna get it. 80 bucks. But then I looked at the sign and it says $10. So I was like, is this really $10? So I grabbed it, I tried it on, and I fell in love with it. And I asked the associate if this is $10, and she says yes, it was. So I was like, okay, I'm sold. So I got this for $10. It's just a nice, simple black vest to compare it up with kind of like almost anything. And you know, the reason why I also got it is because Winnipeg, it's cold. It's April and we're still experiencing -degree weather here, and it is extremely crazy. But I'm happy that I got this vest. So this is the first find that I got. Since I mentioned that it is very cold here in Winnipeg, I picked up a few more jackets because, you know, I can still wear it. It's not hot. It's not super hot right now. I can even wear my winter jacket if I wanted to in April, which is crazy, but you know what? You gotta do what you gotta do. But with this one here, I went to Sirens. I don't have the shopping bag with me. I just kind of stuck it into a Blue Notes bag. I think when I emptied out the bag, I used that as a trash bag, but it's Sirens. Mostly all the Sirens stores here in Winnipeg are closing or are closed. There's only one Sirens left, and everything in that Sirens was $10. So the first thing I'm going to share with you guys that I got there, I got 3 items from that Sirens, and the first thing I got was a jacket. It's a black long polyester jacket in the size small. This is the only size that was left. And I just thought it was a really cute jacket, kind of like a rain jacket, if I may. You know, I could wear it as a windbreaker or whatever, you know, for this weather. And it looks pretty stylish because I wanted to find a long black jacket kind of like this, because I have a long, kind of like a army green bomber jacket. And this is kind of a style I was looking for. So I am very happy that I was able to find this for $10. And another jacket that I picked up from that store as well is this denim jacket. So I was kind of on a hunt for an oversized denim jacket, but all the jackets that I wanted to get were like overly priced, and I didn't want to spend like $60 on a jacket. My sister-in-law told me that she went to that same Sirens and bought a denim jacket, an oversized denim jacket, and she was wearing it, and then I thought it was really nice. So I wanted to go there and see if there's any more. But the only ones that they had left were the ones that she had, and I didn't really want to wear the same thing that she has. And they had this one over here. When I saw it on the rack, I was like, oh my god, this is so ugly. The ribbons were just horrible. Like, I would not wear the denim jacket with the ribbons. If I was gonna wear the jacket, I would definitely take the ribbons off and wear it like that. I'm not really feeling the grommets, so I don't know, like maybe I may remove the grommets and just kind of wear it with the ripped holes in there, or just patch it somehow, or just kind of leave it. I don't know, but it was $10, so I just got it for the sake of that. But like I said, I'm not going to be wearing it with the ribbons because it's just not my style. The last thing that I got from Sirens was a pair of jeans. So these are the jeans that I got. They have the rip in the knees with a little bit of the mesh popping through, and I've kind of wanted a pair of jeans like that. I have a few pair of jeans with a lot of rip. I don't have a pair with just rips in the knees. I just want like one rip on each leg, or like on the knee area. So that is what I found over here, and these are high-waisted jeans. I only wear high-waisted jeans. I just feel more comfortable wearing high-waisted jeans, and the fact that they are on trend is another plus. I can't really find myself to wear like the low-waisted ones or mid-rise. It just doesn't sit nicely on my hips, so I prefer the high-waisted ones. And yeah, these ones were $10, so I'm pretty happy with this as well. So those are the 3 items that I got from Sirens. Like, if you guys are from Winnipeg and you want to find some deals for $10 or less, check out the Garden City Sirens. They are the only Sirens in the city left. I used to always shop at the one at Kildonan Place, but I didn't know that they closed. I just recently went in there and they changed it to Blue Notes. The next store that I went to was Stitches. Again, this is another store I think that is closing down. There were a few Stitches in each of the malls that we have here, but now I remember there was only, I think there's only one actual Stitches store, which is in St. Vital. This one that I went to was at Garden City, and it was where the old Sears store was, and it's kind of like a whole warehouse of Stitches clothing, and I think it's just Stitches from like all the stores kind of put together, and everything there was also $10 or less. So when I see a sign that says $10 or less, I'm immediately drawn right in there. Let me share with you the first thing that I got. First thing that I'm going to share with you are these pair of sunnies. These ones over here were $3. The original price was $7.99, but this was on sale for $3, which was pretty good. Like, I'm really happy with these ones. I was looking for a good pair of sunnies because the ones that I was wearing before that were my Michael Kors sunglasses over here. I just stopped wearing it because my dog grabbed hold of it and she chewed on my lenses. Now I have like teeth marks on these glasses, and I'm so sad. Like, I don't think I can wear them anymore because, oh my god, not even the glasses. I just didn't even realize she even ruined like the nose pads and stuff, so it doesn't even sit nicely on my face anymore. RIP to these wonderful Michael Kors glasses. But you know what, I have these ones here and they're $3, and yeah, I can't complain. So the next thing that I got was these pair of jeans. These are kind of like the boyfriend style jeans. Again, these are $10, and they have like all the rips on the legs, and this is another style that I like. All the other kind of jeans that I have, they're really fitted on the thighs and like the legs. This one's a little bit more looser, it's more comfortable, and best thing of all, it's high-waisted, and you guys know I love the high-waisted jeans, pants, whatever. As long as they're high-waisted and it comes up and like sucks everything in, then I'm happy with them. So these ones are right now my favorite pair of jeans. The next thing I got too was another pair of jeans. These ones over here, another pair of ripped jeans. This one is like completely ripped on the sides as well, but they look pretty cute on. These ones also were high-waisted, and like I said, I only look for high-waisted jeans. If I see a pair of jeans that I like and it looks good like on the shelf, I have to look to see if it's high-waisted. If it's not, I'm not gonna get it. I don't want to waste my time because I know it's not going to look flattering on me. But these ones were another good pair of jeans. Nothing beats a good pair of jeans. $10 is pretty damn good if I say so for myself. So that is it. Those are the 2 pants that I got from the Stitches warehouse outlet, whatever, clothing out store, I don't know. But you know, I go there if I want to find a good pair of pants, because they have a lot of selections for jeans, pants, trousers, dress pants, all $10 and under perhaps. So if you guys are looking for some pants and you haven't checked that store out, go to Garden City. I think it's still open. I think it's still going on. I don't know how long they're going to be having all that there for. The last 2 things that I got were like a 2 for $10 deal. So these are $5. So the first shirt is this one right here. It's kind of like a tan shirt and it ties around the waist. Thought it was pretty cute. I don't own anything like this. I don't know the style. What do you call the style of shirt? I don't know. Like when it comes to fashion and stuff, I don't know the names of these kind of clothing. I just see it on the rack, and if I like it, I'm going to buy it. But yeah, you would wear this if you are daring enough. You could just wear your bra or little bralette and then just kind of like show it through. But I think I'm gonna have to wear like a bandeau or like a tank top, because I don't want too much skin showing. But it is pretty cute. So this was $5 because it was 2 for $10. And then I got another shirt that was similar to that in this print here, like a nice, really cute, peachy, spring flower type print. I don't have anything like this. So when I saw it, I was like, okay, I had to get it because I wanted something to kind of lighten up my wardrobe, because everything that I have is all dark and plain, and I just wanted some color, and I thought this was really cute. And to be honest, when I first tried it on, I really didn't know how to wear it. I thought you would just have to put it on and then just tie a little bow at the front. But then when I was tying the bow, I was like, why is one side longer than the other? So I was actually going to cut it to make it even. But then I realized it was a wrap around. You have to take the string or like the little tie and then wrap it around your waist and then tie it on the side. So it's a good thing I didn't cut that off, or this shirt probably would have gotten wasted. But you know, it's still pretty cute as is. So yeah, that is pretty much it. That is my $10 haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see more things like this, let me know, because I normally go shopping with deals, but I never really share it. I don't know, like I just probably think that my items are a little bit boring. But if you guys enjoy seeing hauls like this, then I will probably do more, because I might check out those stores again before they close out. So I don't want to miss out on any good like $10 deals or anything like that. So I'll probably go back and pick up more. I'll pick up a few more like tops and jeans, and if they have any jackets, because I don't know how much longer this cold is going to last here in Winnipeg. It is freezing outside, guys. It is freezing. I still can't believe it's April and it's like -10 or -15. I don't know, maybe it's -20. I don't know. I don't want to go inside because it's just really cold. But yeah, anyways, that is about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Also, if you guys are new here to my channel and you like what you saw, please hit that subscribe button. And also, if you guys are not following me on social media, I am on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, and this is the name over here that you can search for to find me. Other than that, that is about it, and I will see you guys in my next video.